Miscellaneous. Question 1. Consider the following statements with respect to the concept of debt-for-nature swap. 1. Debt-for-nature swaps, DNS, are financial transactions in which a portion of a developing nation's foreign debt is forgiven in exchange for local investments in environmental conservation measures. 2. It is an initiative of the World Bank, and the concerned nation's central bank is the implementation agency. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Upsu, Belesu, Balsu is a popular slogan associated with which of the following environmental movement in India? A. Jungle Bachao Andolan, 1982. B. Save Silent Valley Movement, 1978. C. Appiko Movement, 1983. D. Bishnoi Movement, 1700s. Question 3. The term putrescibility can be best described as A. It involves the decomposition of organic matter in water in the presence of oxygen. B. It involves the decomposition of organic matter in water in the absence of oxygen. C. It involves the decomposition of inorganic matter in the presence of sunlight and water. D. It involves the decomposition of inorganic matter in water in the presence of oxygen by microorganisms. Question 4. Consider the following pairs of groundwater contaminants and diseases-associated contaminants, diseases. 1. Nitrates Minamata disease. 2. Arsenic blue baby syndrome. 3. Mercury blackfoot disease. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. None of these. Question 5. The term 4 per 1000 is often mentioned in news in context of the following of A. Nitrogen pollution. B. CO2 emission. C. Soil carbon. D. Global warming. Question 6. With reference to India's biodiversity, crimson rose, painted jacebell, common peacock, and Kaiserihind are A. Primates. B. Birds. C. Reptiles. D. Lepidoptera. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding marine heat waves. 1. Marine heat waves occur when seawater temperature exceeds a seasonally varying temperature for at least 5 consecutive days. 2. Marine heat waves are due to rapid warming in the Indian Ocean and strong La Nina events. 3. Marine heat waves will significantly impact India's monsoon patterns and Gulf of Mannar coral health. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 8. A wetland formed in 1984 by the construction of Madhya Ganga barrage at the confluence of Solni and Ganga rivers and is a part of Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. This wetland site is designated under the Ramsar Convention as wetland of international importance. Which of the following wetland is referred to in the above lines? A. Yashwant Sagar. B. Bhindwas. C. Hyderpur. D. Satkosya Goj. Question 9. Which of the statements correctly explain Pasiphae recently seen in the news? A. A newly discovered spider species in the Western Ghats. B. A sky surveying project. C. A supercomputer built by India. D. A carbon tracking initiative by Russian. Question 10. Recently published Annual Frontier Report 2022 is released by A. The Wildlife Trade Monitoring Network, Traffic. B. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN. C. World Economic Forum, WEF. D. United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP